So this is the problem set, 4.6 elementary algebra. Problems, got to write that out. Alright, so looks like they're exactly like the ones that we just went over. Ones that may give you a little bit of a headache would be one like 57. We have x squared plus 3, and we're multiplying that by x squared minus 3. Okay, the rule was square the first term. So we're going to take x squared times x squared. X squared times x squared is x to the 2 plus 2. So that's going to be a 4, x to the 4th power. Then we're going to square the second term, 9. Put a minus sign, and you're done. I don't really see, you end up with ones like 61, which is just like we just did, only they're going to use a 4 there. Minus 8, that's not a plus, it's a 4. And 5y to the 4th plus 8. 5 times 5 is 25. Y to the 4th times y to the 4th. Y to the 4th times y to the 4th is y to the 4 plus 4. 8 square 8, 64. Put a minus sign and you're done. Okay. 62, you've got a y to the 5th and a y to the 5th, so you have y to the 5 plus 5. Let's go backwards here and look at some of the earlier ones. I just kind of grabbed that one because it caught my attention, not sure why. So let's look at some like 24. 2m minus 7n quantity squared. Square the first term, square the second term, put a plus, multiply those two together. So 2m times 7n would be 14, negative 14, that negative sign, that should be a negative 14mn, and then that's going to be multiplied by 2. Remember I said you have to multiply that by 2. So you get 4m squared minus 28. 2 times 4, negative 14 is negative 28. Okay? And you're done there. Let's see, do they have any tricky ones? Let's do 27. X squared, let me erase this stuff. I am in the middle of Louisiana somewhere, I think down near Lafayette. It's some creepy campground, so if you hear me scream or Jill scream while I'm doing this video, we're being robbed or killed. So anyway, x squared plus 5, the quantity squared. We're going to square the first one. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. And then we're going to square the last one. Got a plus there, a plus there. And then we bring these two together, 5x squared, and then we multiply that by 2. So x to the 4th plus 10x squared plus 25, 25 in German. X squared plus 10x squared plus 25. Okay? When you get something like 36, gosh, I guess I ought to do that one because it is a fraction, and fractions are just evil. X minus 3/8 quantity squared. Alright, square the first term. Square this one. 3/8 times 3/8 is going to be 9/64. Okay? So we'll put that over here. Plus, plus. Now we're going to multiply this times this. So negative 3/8, x, and then we're going to multiply that by 2. So x squared minus 6/8x, my 2's don't look like 2's, plus 9/64. Okay, not done yet, because 6/8 can be reduced to 3/4. 9/64 can't be reduced, because 3 goes into 9, but 3 does not go into 64. And that's your answer. So the method is the same. Square the first term, square the second term, multiply the two terms together. Don't forget the minus sign if it appears here to get negative 3/8 x, and then multiply that answer by 2. So that's when they give it to you, is a binomial squared. And that's it for problem set 4.6 elementary algebra.